Hello, ladies and gentlemen. As we all know, the FCAT examination is going to be held after a couple of months. It is the right time to kickstart your preparation with the right strategy, and we are here to guide you. We assure you that you will not just only clear the cutoff, but you will score good in the FCAT examination. My name is Tapesh Akhtar. We are here at Short Academy to guide you for FCAT examination.
Are you preparing for defense written exams like NDA, CDS, AFCAT, or Sainik School Entrance Exam? Join our written exam preparation courses, practice mock tests, and get expert mentor support. Call us at 725 940 7111.
Like every other exam, this exam also demands some particular things. You don't have to read everything for this exam. In this video, we are going to tell what exactly you have to read to clear your FCAT exam. This strategy is created by our experienced educator who have cleared this exam several times. Exams like FCAT, CDS and INET. So now we are going to start with FCAT strategy. FCAT is Air Force Common Admission Test. It consists of 100 questions. These 100 questions is being divided into 4 major sections. That is mathematics, reasoning, English and GS. Now we are going to tell what exactly you have to read from these sections. In mathematics, they generally ask the day-to-day mathematics, that is aptitude. They do not ask complicated mathematics like trigonometry, calculus, differentiation. They just ask aptitude mathematics. In that also, they ask questions from the particular topics. It consists of 18 questions. In this 18 question is divided between time and work, percentage, ratio proportion, speed and distance, SI and CI, and time and distance. These are the major topics from which all of your 18 questions are going to be covered. With the right strategy, you can score at least 15 plus questions from these questions. Now, next comes is our reasoning session. Reasoning plays a crucial role in FCAT examination. Since it has 32 questions, it covered almost 1/3 of the examination. Reasoning part is easy also and scoring also. If you are able to score here well, you can raise your marks easily. These 32 questions are divided in these topics. These topics are picture completion, odd one out, dot figures, Venn diagram, analogy, and such type of questions are there. What exactly these type of questions are there? Our educators will tell you in detail when you come to our academy. They know every detail of this. Now the third part comes is English. English covered 25 questions. So that means it covers 1/4 section of the whole paper. English is easy also. English, the first easiest topic is passage. In the passage, you do not have to do much. You just have to simply read the passage carefully and then you can answer accordingly. It is a scoring part. Next comes is error detection and cloze test. This requires your grammatical part. If you have good grammar, you can score really very well in this examination. If you completed with this, the next part comes the vocabulary part. In vocabulary, you have to read this words, know their spelling also, because they ask spelling. They give you 4 different type of spellings. In this, you need to find which one is the correct one. And antonyms and synonyms are also there. So if you are good in vocabulary, you will score good in both too. Out of 25 questions, you can easily score 20 plus questions if you follow our strategy and follow our educators. One more is idioms and phrases. These also 1 or 2 questions will come from that. Now, the last but not the least, the important part comes is GS. In GS, everybody thinks you have to read history, geography, and a lot of current affairs, modern history, and all that. But in that also, with the experience of our educator, they narrowed it down. It requires the few topics that need to cover up. It also covered 25 questions. It means it also covers 1/4 part of the examination. In this 1/4 part of examination, one question will surely come from the books. As you have seen the last year question papers, you can detect every year one question comes from the book in every set. Next comes from the organization and headquarters. These organization and headquarters are of some importance, or they are in some current affairs. Like for example, we are dealing with the corona situation right now. So WHO holds the importance. So that can be a good example for that. Such type of questions will be there. Next, as you are appearing for the defense services, Air Force is also part of that. So obviously from the defense 2 to 3 questions will come. At least 2 questions will come for sure. In that defense questions, the question will come from the military practices that India does with other countries. Either it's naval, Air Force and the army, whatever it is. One question will surely come from the practice session. Next questions will come from the science. In science, physics, biology, chemistry is the base. It does not cover much detail. It will come from the upper part only, that they did not go in much details. After that, the history. In history, you don't have to read everything. History is really very vast. In history, question will come from the medieval history. And particularly where our educators will know, they will tell you. At the last, I would like to say, our new batch for the AFCAT written examination is going to start from 1st of May. We welcome you all here. Come, you will be under very good guidance. Our teachers will teach you accurately, and they will ensure you that you will not only clear the cutoff, but you will also score good in the AFCAT examination. Because in the end, if you clear the SSB, you will be surely the part of the merit list and you will join the Air Force Academy. Thank you and Jai Hind.